Hello, and thank you for visiting CooptyLew Art and Tarot. Today we will be unboxing the Raincoast Tarot deck, the first edition. I backed it on Kickstarter, and I had to wait for it a little longer than most because I moved in the process of getting my rewards. So I just now got it, and here it is, the Raincoast Tarot deck. It is by Christoph James. Oh, I have a note. Hi Shiloh, because the cardboard box from this deck was damaged in the second trip through the mail, you're receiving this special tin that's only been created once. I hope you like it. Awesome. I do like that. All right. For divination purposes, a detailed book is in the work. All right, the backs are awesome. Love those. All right, let's get a look at this deck. 13 of 120. Wow. Okay. Oh, I do like it. Very much do like it. This is going to be my card of the year. The devil. That's awesome. What nice artwork. I really like the blue people. Just saying. Oops, skipped the 6. Hold on, sorry about that. I'm missing this. Oh, they're out of order. Oh, thank God. I was like, oh my God. Oh, look at that page. The king. Oh, here's the 10. I like that one. The 8, the 6, and the 2. Nice 2 as well. 1 of swords, huh? Instead of ace. 3. 1 of candles. How weird that other, these are all in order, and the other one was all mixed up. Oh, I like the Queen of Candles. I'm assuming those are wands, the fire energy. I like that king too. Cool. They're matte. Okay, then we have the 1 of cups, the 2 of cups, 3. And these are in order too. The page, the knight, the Queen of Cups, the King of Cups. Ooh, that's freaking awesome for the Ace of Pentacles, man. The Pentacles is my favorite suit. Always, but especially in this deck. Wow, I love it. My card is the Queen. Love that. And Pamela Coleman Smith, a pixie card. How cool is that? I need to go back because I am concerned about that sword suit. I need to make sure that all the swords are there. I don't want to lose my mind, y'all. There's the 7, okay. Those were all major, so 9, 7, 4, 5, the queen, the page, the 3, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the king, and the knight. Alright, we're good. Anyway, here are the backs. Very cool, reversible. The cardstock is matte finish. It's not too thick so that it doesn't shuffle, and it's not too thin so that shuffling it will cause it to be destroyed immediately. So let's go ahead and give it a shuffle or two and see what we get. Yeah, I do like it. And I got this neat tin. I like tins. I really do, because they don't get so messed up in like storing. And I've moved 4 times in the last 6 months, so yeah, I've got some issues with boxes. And one more shuffle. Alright, let's go ahead and split this deck up. Ooh. And we'll take this one. Yeah, that's right. That is right. Wouldn't you know it? I just said, this is my card. Anyway, if you like this channel and this video, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and hit the bell if you don't want to miss out on anything. Subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.